Nothing about this animal belongs in a modern world. The Komodo dragon looks like it walked straight out of prehistory and somehow survived. These massive lizards are the largest on Earth, dominating the remote islands of Indonesia. Growing over 3 meters long and weighing more than 90 kilograms, they are built for power. Thick scales, crushing jaws, sharp claws, and serrated teeth, making them deadly hunters. Their venomous bite weakens prey, which they can track for kilometers using their forked tongues, and yet, Komodo dragons are more than fearsome predators. They play a vital role in keeping the ecosystem balanced. Today, climate change and habitat loss threaten their future. Protecting Komodo dragons means protecting one of the Earth's large true relics of the dinosaur age.